Ma'am, Ashinada is
Good
present.
afternoon all. We'll start with today's
Okay,
classes now. I think distributive property. Can anybody say about distributive property? Mohammad Safwan, where you are sitting? I can see through a window. Are you sitting in the before the mirror?
I'm his background.
Background, okay. Safwan, can you tell me where we stopped previous class?
Ma'am, 3 by into 0, 0.
What? 3 by 0. Huh? What now?
Multiplication of associative property. 1 minute, ma'am.
0.
Division, did we start with division, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Division of properties of division of integers, did we start?
Yes, ma'am.
We started, no? We finished division properties, and I think problems we were doing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so let us do some.
Nothing. Ma'am.
Okay. I think we were doing some problems.
Man, this commutative property, ma'am.
Now try this.
We stopped commutative. Ma'am,
Distributive
we
property.
stopped commutative property.
Distributive. Name, can you tell me distributive property? What is it? We studied last class. What is distributive property? Addition, multiplication is distributed over addition. I told.
Yes, ma'am.
What is that? Using A, B, C, you can tell me. Just others just go through the. Yes.
A into B. A into B equal to B into A.
That is commutative property. Distributive, I told you.
Ma'am, A by
B plus C
into B plus C.
into AB plus AC.
Yes, good. A into B plus C.
Can you hear me now?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
ma'am.
Yes, this one is that. A into B plus C. We can write it as A into
A
B
into B
plus A into
A
C.
into C.
This is known as distributive property.
Yes,
Using
ma'am.
this property, we have done several problems. For example, it was like this. We have done the problems. Please check the problem which you have done. This is one of the problems.
Into minus 3 plus positive. Positive 10, ma'am.
Okay, wait. Into positive 3 plus positive 3
Ma'am, should you have to
into
write
negative 5. This is the problem.
writing.
So how will you do it?
7 into 3
Plus positive 3
7.
into negative 5. Which
Negative
number, common number you will take out?
Positive.
Positive 3. Isn't it? With the common number which you will take out, and that number is positive 3. Both sides positive. With the positive 3 we have multiplied. This is plus in between. So this 3 we will take out. This 3 also we will take out. So positive 3 we will take out, and inside the bracket what will come? 7 plus
5 plus
this negative 5. Okay. So answer will be positive 3 into this one. What is the difference? And
5.
put the sign of the greater number. What is that?
Positive.
11.
Oh, positive plus negative. Difference and put the sign of the greater number.
Positive 2.
Negative 2.
I'm positive 2. Positive 2. Ma'am, it is positive.
You have not studied for the test.
Ma'am,
Answer. So what is the final answer?
105.
Positive 6. Isn't it? Positive 6. Okay, I'll give you another problem. Do it yourself.
Okay.
Same way. Distributive property, using distributive property. Okay. Negative 13. Negative 13 into 2 plus 3 into negative 13. Negative 13 into 2 plus 3 into negative 13. Which number you will take outside?
13. No.
Ma'am, 30.
Minus 13.
Minus 13.
Minus
Negative-
30.
Yes, negative 13 we can take outside. And what comes inside the bracket?
Ma'am, 3, 2.
Plus 2.
Ma'am, 3 plus 2.
2 plus 3. Isn't it?
3. Yes, ma'am.
Plus 3.
12,
Okay.
5.
Simply this all it is positive. If no
Yes,
sign
ma'am.
is there, you take it as positive. So
Positive.
we get what? 13 into 5.
Ma'am, 5.
Answer is
5. Positive 5.
what?
What?
Negative 13 into multiply.
10,
Negative
65. Ma'am, 65.
Negative 65 is
Ma'am,
a
65.
65, ma'am.
just multiplication, not addition.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
86 multiplication.
Huh? Into is the sign. That is why it is multiplication. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now next problem. You do it. I will not interfere in that. Okay.
Done.
Okay. You should tell me the answer. I'm not going to do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, 5 into 2.
Okay. Find out the answer.
What? Huh? Positive.
Ma'am,
Yes.
answer is 12.
Answer is no. 12 is wrong.
Ma'am, can I say?
Okay.
Ma'am, negative.
What zero? Zero can be anything.
0.
0. What is the answer you got?
Ma'am, 0.
Zero. Zero is the correct answer. I will tell you
Okay,
how.
ma'am.
We take, which is the common factor here,
Ma'am, 12.
12. So we can take 12 outside, isn't it? 12
Yes,
I will
ma'am.
take outside. 12 is taken outside. Now 12 is here into negative 5 plus
Plus 5 into 5.
positive 5.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what we will get? 12 into negative 5 plus positive 5, 0.
0.
12 into 0, 0.
0.
Answer.
12 into 0, 0. Yes, ma'am. Finish.
Okay. So I'm going to give a little bit higher number, bigger number.
Ma'am, like 100.
100 is,
The number we
100 is
take
easy.
out with more number.
Just see this.
Take out the
Same,
more
see,
number.
you
bigger
have
number.
studied like this, no? A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Isn't it? Same way,
Yes,
minus,
ma'am.
minus is also correct. Same way, minus also we can do.
Minus is equal to
Minus, yeah, minus also the same way it is correct. A into B minus C is equal to AB minus AC. Okay. Instead
Yes,
of this,
ma'am.
so you can do it like that also. One problem of this type I'll give you. This. This is that problem.
Right?
Find 7236 into
You?
65 minus
Mhm.
7236 into 56.
Mhm.
Find out.
Okay, ma'am. We'll find out.
Ma'am, the answer is
Hmm.
Ma'am, I know the answer.
Okay, tell me the answer.
55,002.
Ma'am, I know the answer, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, okay. Find out. Tell me the answer.
55,124.
Ma'am, it's 6,524. 6,524.
Once again, read that number properly.
65,124.
65,124.
Okay. Correct, correct.
65,124.
Correct, correct. So let us
Negative.
check.
Ma'am, negative.
Negative. Negative it is or
Negative.
positive? No.
Negative.
Is it negative or positive?
Oh no, positive.
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 Positive, ma'am.
So
Positive.
listen children, which is the number common for both set? Both?
Ma'am, 700, 236.
Okay. So this one number we can take outside, isn't it? This number we can take outside. So we took 7, 2, 3, 6 outside. Now what is remaining inside the bracket? 65
56 and
minus
56.
Okay.
And
Now again 7,
9,
2,
9.
3, 6. What is the
And
difference? Into 9. 9.
into 9.
Now simply multiply. You got the answer.
All
Okay.
are below the 1.
6, 5, 1, 2, 4. This you will, when you multiply by 9, you will get the answer like this.
Correct. Ma'am, which is the sign? Where is sign?
See, I will tell you here only minus sign is put. No, actually this is plus, this is plus. So when you do it, 9, how did you get 9? That may be a doubt for you. Positive 65 minus positive 56. As signs are not put, we will take it as positive. So what is the rule of subtraction?
Change the sign.
Change the sign and add. So we will change the sign of this 56 and add. Then what is the answer you will get here?
Negative.
9.
I am negative 9.
Difference 9.
Negative
Sign
9.
great. And how negative will come? Sign of the greater number.
Oh.
Positive 9. That is why here we got positive 9. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes.
Okay,
No
ma'am.
doubt, no?
No, no.
No, ma'am.
So this is the way, this is all about the distributive property. Some more problems are there, but the problems which I give will be, first one is okay. Then when you come to second and third problem, it will be little bit difficult. You have to change the number into different form, then take out the common number. It is like that. So let us check that problems. Eraser. So this one till this much is clear to you. Now we will take a PDF. What is the time now? 29 till 40 you have no 10 more minutes is there. So let us do 2 more problems or 1 more problem at least. This one, first one is easy. First
Yes.
one is of the same type. Right. Division of integers. 100. So, yeah, this one, find the product using suitable properties. So that is it. Just see that first one, first problem. First problem. You can do it, no? This one you can do easily. Do it.
Yeah.
First problem you do and find out the answer. Sebastian, do it. Others, don't be lazy. You do the problem yourself. Okay.
Ma'am.
Others,
Ma'am.
switch on the videos. Switch on the video and do the problems. Yes.
Ma'am, I can't write, ma'am.
Right. Now I will call
Ma'am, I can't
anybody.
write.
I will ask to answer.
Ma'am, I can't write.
So what? You can listen and sit. No, you are laying down.
Mama, I got the answer.
Who is speaking?
I'm Reha.
Riha, Fatima. Okay. Riha, what is the answer you get?
I'm positive 418.
Positive 480. Very good. Correct. Positive 480 is the answer we get. Yes, Nihal Mustafa, can you tell me what is the answer you got? Nihal? Yes, Fatima is raising her hand.
Ma'am, positive 480.
Very good, very good. You got the answer. Okay, what about Rihan? Rihan, Mohammed, Rihan.
Ma'am, positive
480 did you get? Okay, good. So let us check how we got this positive 480. What about name?
Yes, ma'am. Positive 480.
Okay.
480.
Okay, 1 minute. I'll check this. I just want to move this to one side. I'll get some space on the board. Okay. Now, okay, first question I'm going to answer. 26 into negative 48. So which number we'll take out? Negative 48, no? Common number. Negative 48 we can take out. And inside the bracket, 26 is there. Then plus, what is there? Negative 36, isn't it? Very good. So what? What we will do?
I can't see you writing.
Huh?
No.
All of you cannot see?
Ma'am, I
Then we
can.
can see.
Okay, maybe some network issue, children. Negative 48 into what?
Do,
Huh?
Negative 10.
Negative 10.
10.
Isn't it? This we will get
Negative 10.
plus negative 36, negative 10. So
Yes, ma'am.
negative 48 into negative 10. Negative into negative, positive. So
Positive.
positive 480.
480.
Got the answer. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the way you
Oh,
have
ma'am,
to
I
answer.
understand.
Now you understood, no? Now, next problem you will not understand. Little bit difficult it is.
Ma'am,
You
full of
can
minus.
try to understand. I will explain. Huh? That you try to do it. You do it. Then I will
Eighth
explain.
one.
E. Yes. E is different. The signs are different. Then what will you do? That is the question.
Okay, ma'am. We will try.
Try yourself. Then I will explain. Otherwise, you will not have any interest. You try to do it and find out the answer. Now,
Okay, I
this is
got
the problem we are doing. Okay.
bracket.
Hmm.
35.
Rihan,
Yes.
Adus, all of you switch on your video. Adus, what happens? Huh?
This we want to find.
E. Question number E. Switch on your videos.
I got the answer.
Got the answer? Who got the answer? Tell me the name.
Reha.
314.
Sebastian. Ma'am, negative.
Yes, tell me the answer, children.
I'm negative 625.
You say, check the place value properly and then tell me.
I'm 750. 18.
Oh, no. That is not the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Check the place value. First one you read was correct. Okay. But tell me with the place value, proper place value. What is that? Number. Read the number properly. Who said Alisha Jain? Tell me the answer what you got, Alisha.
Minus.
Yes, minus. Correct. Negative.
Minus 6,000 and 25,000.
Oh, check units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So what will you read?
Can I say the answer which I got?
Yes.
Negative 18.
No. No, no. No, that your answer is correct, Alicia, but you have to read it properly, no? 62,500. That is the number which you got.
Huh?
62,500.
Hey.
negative 5,300.
No, no. I will tell you the problem. Listen here. Listen. It is little bit difficult, not different. See, here it is positive. Listen carefully, only 5 more minutes. I have to explain within that. Okay, try to understand. It is not like whatever we explained till now. Here you see this is positive and here it is negative, isn't it? So we cannot take out that 625 as such. Their signs are different. So what I will do, I will change it in a different way. First one, let it be positive 625 into negative 35. Let it be there. Plus this negative 625, I can write, listen children, if I write 5 into negative 1, what is the answer?
Negative
Then negative.
85.
Negative.
85.
95. Now I
95.
write a 3 into negative 1, what is the answer?
Ma'am,
Negative
35.
negative 3.
Ma'am, negative 3.
2 into negative 1, what is the answer?
Ma'am,
Negative
2.
what?
Negative.
Negative 2.
Negative 2.
Negative 2. So with whatever number you are multiplying negative 1, we get the number as negative, isn't it? So this negative, if I write 625 into negative 1, what I will get?
625.
I will get negative
Negative 625.
So can I write this negative 625 like this? Here?
Yes.
Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
This negative
Yes.
625 I can write as positive 625 into negative 1. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
So we will write like that. We will write this negative 625 as positive 625 into negative 1 into what is the number? 65.
65.
Right. Clear? That step is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now listen.
620.
Okay. 1 minute. Pen. Okay. Now listen to me. Now what I am going to do is I will take out positive 625 out. Positive 625 outside. What is remaining in the bracket? This one is
Ma'am, ma'am, 35 and 65.
plus. No, not 65. When you take 65, okay, be careful. Negative 1 into 65 you have to take.
Negative 65.
Yes, good. Negative 65.
Negative 65.
Okay, like this. Now it is clear. Correct. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt in this step what I have done?
No, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
Now what we will do? We will multiply with 625
Minus 100.
minus 100. Very
And
good.
the total
So
answer is negative 62,500.
1,500 we will get the answer. Very good. Understood all of you? Okay, remaining we can do in the next video. Okay, bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. One
Thank you,
minute.
ma'am.
Thank you. You can leave, children. You want to switch off this and then we go. Yes. Okay, finished. Very good. In one step it is over. Yeah. And the meeting.